What's up guys, this is Mills, and in this video I will show you how to hack some iOS apps and get the full version for free with one click with Tw3ha Tweak. This method will allow you to get a lot of paid apps for free, and you can also remove ads from some apps. Alright guys, I received many messages and requests to know how this tweak works, and in this video I will show you how this tweak works. It's very simple. Alright guys, first open Cydia. Now go to the sources at the bottom here. Now here you need to add this source, Tw3ha source. Alright guys, after adding this source, open it. Now here go to Tweaks option. Scroll down and you will find Tw3ha Tweak. Okay guys, as you see, this is the tweak. Now all you have to do is just install this tweak. Alright, just click install again. Now just go ahead and install this tweak. I've already installed this tweak and therefore I will not install it again. Alright, after installing the tweak, now I will show you how it works. It's very simple, but before this, I will show you something. Okay, as you can see here guys, I have Tw3ha Video app, which is one of the most popular design apps on App Store. Now I will open this app. Okay, as you can see guys, there are in-app purchases here. As you can see, I have the free version that has a limited number of features, and I need to subscribe to the VIP version so I can get all the features in this app. Now I will show you how to use Tw3ha Tweak to hack and get the full version for free in just one click. The first thing you will do is close the Tw3ha Video app from the background. It's very important. Now go to Tw3ha Tweak settings in the settings app. Now here choose design apps. Now here you will find some apps that you can hack with one click and get the full version of it. Okay, scroll down and you will find an option to hack Tw3ha Video. Okay, now all you have to do is just activate this button. After activating this button, now you have the full version for free in just one click. Alright, now I will go back to home screen and I will open Tw3ha Video app. Alright guys, as you see, now I have the full version for free. As you see here, you will see that you need to subscribe to the VIP version here, but don't worry guys, because you already have the full version. Okay, now I will create a new project. Alright, I will choose this image. Alright guys, now I will find an option that requires a VIP subscription. As you can see, this option requires a VIP subscription to be able to use it. Alright, now I will use this option. As you see guys, I can use it without any problem. And this means that I have the full version of Tw3ha Video app. Alright guys, as you see here, this option also requires a VIP subscription and I can use it without any problem. This is pretty awesome. Okay, now I will go to filters option. As you see here, these filters need a VIP subscription and I can use them without any problem. As you see, everything is awesome. It's very simple to get the full version of Tw3ha Video app with Tw3ha Tweak. Alright guys, now I will export the video. Okay, as you see here, these two options require a VIP subscription. Therefore, if you don't have a VIP version, you will not be able to export the video in full HD or 4K quality. Okay, I will export the video in 4K quality. As you see, the video is now extracted in 4K quality. Okay, now just wait a few seconds. And as you see guys, the video has been successfully exported in 4K quality. Alright guys, Tw3ha Video app is one of the most popular design apps that you need to try and use right now. Also, you can get the full version for free with Tw3ha Tweak in just one click. Tw3ha Tweak is a great and useful tweak. It allows you to hack many popular paid apps, and it's a completely free tweak. You will find the source to download this tweak below this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.